If you're a devoted fan of Mercedes-Benz, get ready to be wowed by the 2024 GLE Class SUV. It's got all the signature style and features you love, but let's be real. The competition in the mid-size SUV segment is fierce. However, the Benz holds its own with its striking design and cutting-edge technology. From a turbo inline-4 to a powerhouse twin-turbo V8, there's a powertrain for every driving preference. And let's talk about that dashboard display. It's like having Times Square right in front of you. Whether you find it dazzling or a bit overwhelming, it's definitely a heat-turner. Now, when we compare it to rivals like the Genesis GV80 and the Volvo XC90, the GLE stands out with its superior off-road capabilities. Opt for the optional air suspension, and you can conquer rough terrain with ease. Need to navigate through sand or mud? No problem. The GLE's got your back with its nimble maneuverability. So if you're craving the ultimate blend of luxury, technology, and adventure, the 2024 GLE Class SUV is ready to exceed your expectations.